welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button to see more home, holiday, event, wedding, and DIY decor. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make an easy Mickey Mouse themed party centerpiece and setup. Here we go. You guys have been asking for me to make a Mickey Mouse centerpiece, and today I have an interesting spin on it. I'm going to be making a Mickey Mouse centerpiece out of 2 bowls from Dollar Tree and some balloons. So let's get started. The very first thing I'm going to do is paint 2 large plastic bowls from Dollar Tree, and this is going to serve as Mickey's body, and I'm going to be painting them in gloss red. I'm also going to be using 2 small round glass vases from Dollar Tree as well, and I'm going to be painting them in yellow. While I let the other 2 items dry, I'm going to move on to Mickey's gloves, and I'm going to be using 2 Beth gloves from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be cutting them down because they're a little bit too big, and I want to, cut them to be proportioned with the rest of the body. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this down a bit and cut these down a bit as well. I'm not going to cut individual fingers because I don't think the material will keep it together. So I'm just going to cut them, and then I'm going to glue with hot glue. And you see the difference? There's a significant difference on this size. Look at that. All right. So this one is adults, and it's gonna be more like kid size. Now I'm going to cut it all the way open. So I'm going to cut right here. As so, okay? And then I am going to glue it together again, inside out. Once the glue is dry, you're going to turn it over again. And here's what it should look like. Now I'm going to add some fiber fill inside the glove to give it some life. So you're just going to push it in until it's all nice and fluffy. And here's one glove, one more to go. Now I'm going to be drawing buttons on Mickey's pants. This is gonna be his body / pants, and his pants has 2 buttons, and they are white. And I'm just grabbing whatever I have around the house to use it as mold to make my buttons. And I thought these 2 chocolate coins will be perfect. You can also use like a plastic shot glass or whatever you have that is round to make the buttons. I am going to use this, and I am going to grab my pencil, and I'm going to trace around it. And here they are, 2 perfect circles. Now I'm going to go ahead and paint them with acrylic white paint. And there it is, perfect. All right, so now it's time to put Mickey together. Here I have my small round vases, which are going to be Mickey's shoes. I am going to turn these upside down, and I'm going to place them together, okay? And then here is the upper part of his pants, aka body, and this is the lower part, okay? So what I'm going to do first, I am going to glue these two together. Now I'm going to grab the lower part of his body and I'm going to glue it on top of his shoes. So I am going to center that, and then you are going to glue it down. Make sure that when gluing you center it this way, but also back and front. Now I'm going to go ahead and glue the top part on top of the other bowl, and I'm only going to use hot glue because hot glue on plastic bonds very strongly, so no worry about falling apart. It's coming along, it's coming along. Next, I'm going to be making Mickey's head with a 24-inch black balloon from Party City. And I'm just going to open it up and blow it up. So easy. What do you guys think? Too big? I'm gonna let a little bit of the air out until I get the ideal size. Okay, so I think this should be about right. I do want the head to be a little bit larger than the bottom, so I think this is perfect. So next I am going to cut this part right here, and I'm going to glue it down onto the top of my bowl right here. I'm switching to my low temperature gun to make sure that my balloon won't pop. Next, I'm going to be working on his ears, and for that I'm going to be using 9-inch black balloons from Party City. And now all there's left to do is glue the balloons on the side of his head. Next, I'm going to be using foam balls that I'm going to be placing inside Mickey's glove to help me keep them up right here. And I'm going to show you just how I'm going to do that. So basically what I'm going to do, actually what I already did, I am going to take the largest balls, the largest foam balls, come here, and I sliced a bit of it, so you can see. Here's the regular one, and here's the one that I sliced a bit. So you want to take just a little bit off, less than a quarter, and you just want to make it flat. Then you are going to place it right in here, okay? So this is going to make the glove solid. And then you are going to switch back to your high temperature hot glue gun. You're going to switch back to your high temp, and then you are going to add glue all around here. Hold it right there for a few seconds. Okay guys, this is it. This is my Mickey centerpiece, and it is absolutely fun. It was so easy to make and so affordable. Only $12. I'm going to show you how he looks with a bow, although Mickey doesn't usually wear a bow unless he's wearing his suit, but I don't follow rules. So I'm gonna put it on, and you can decide whether you want to keep the bow or not. How's that? Do you like them with a bow or without? Let me know in the comments below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure to give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, there's the button right there. Subscribe right now. Also, leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought of my Mickey Mouse centerpiece, and leave me a comment anyway, because you know I love to chit chat with you guys all the time. and that's the truth. And share. Sharing is caring. If you have a friend or a family member that might be having a party coming up, make sure to share with them, and just share on your social media page anyway, because you might be able to save someone a buck or two. Until next time, bye.